Hello sir, this is Charlie. Thanks for your time for watching this video. And without further ado, let's get started and I will show you around our factory. First, let's enter the stainless steel processing workshop. Here are the foundation of all our metal humidors, high precision laser cutting machines and CNC bending machines. And the whole production process here is fully standardized. First, we use laser cutting to shape the stainless steel panels with exact size. Then CNC bending to form the humidor frame. Next, we will carry out professional welding and careful grading. This is the welding and grading area. All humidor bodies are made here, and we strictly control every step to guarantee the durable quality. And here is our second workshop, the assembly and testing workshop. And this is the place where our humidors become the finished products. Let me show you. Over here are the drivers for cigar humidors. We use 100% imported Spanish cedar. This material is perfect for cigar storage because it maintains stable humidity and even enhances the flavor of cigars. After assembly, every single humidor will go through strict testing. We check all the functions to make sure every unit works perfectly before the shipping. As you can see, there is a whole row of humidor bodies waiting for assembly. And you can see our guy is installing the internal components. And this is the water tank. And you can see the back of the humidors. This is the compressors. We use the high-end brand. And this is the tour of our factory. I'm looking forward to letting you get a nice humidor. Thanks for your watching. Thank you.